Hello, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Messina, and I have been teaching you art this semester. So, for over the last couple weeks, we have finished a couple art projects and also started getting used to some of the programs that we will be using for art. Now, this tutorial is just a little reminder of how we do some of our activities and turning in our work. So I'm going to be showing you a couple websites and apps that are going to be very important for our art program. And again, some of us might be experts on this and some of us might need a little bit of reminders. But again, this tutorial is just so that way we're more comfortable using the art programs. All right. So the first thing that you want to look around at is your art seesaw. So art seesaw is going to be used for grades K through 3. So boys and girls, first you're going to find the one that is just for your art class. The icon is going to be like a little paint palette. You're going to click on that. Now, on our art seesaw, you're going to look at the activities. So, with every art project, there is going to be a video that says overview on assignments and then the number. When you watch this video, it will show you the expectations for the next art project. It will also show you any other materials that we might need for the assignment. Usually, every assignment includes a black marker for tracing, or Sharpie if you would like to use that instead, a pencil, and a piece of paper, and crayons and markers. So again, when we have a new project, it is very helpful if you check on the overview because again, sometimes Zoom might not be working or maybe technology is acting a little funky. So every art project, there will be an overview explaining the artist and giving examples of what to do and not to do for our project. Then if you scroll up, there is going to be a questionnaire based on the biography of our artists that will be learning about. This is just for extra practice and review. So this assignment right here is optional. Then finally, there will be a post on the actual art assignment. There will be a due date, and the due date is not specified because, again, some students might take a long time to create art. Some of us might take only a day or two, but I will be giving you a general due date. Now, there will be a list of directions, and when you click on the picture, there will be a video tutorial of how to do the art lesson. Now, turning in work. Once your artwork is complete, you're either going to use your Chromebook or your iPad. So you're going to click Add Response. You're going to click on your name. Then you are going to take a photo. Now, when you take a photo, we want to make sure for our project that the picture is not upside down, it's not folded. You really want to show off the main picture. And also, you want to make sure you really don't get your face. If you have your fingers in it, it's fine. But again, we want your picture to be your main focus. After that, you're going to click on this little camera. Then you're going to click the check. You don't have to edit or anything else. And then after that, your picture will be on there. Once I will approve of this picture, and if it needs some extra work, I can comment and send it back to you. So I'm just going to delete that. And of course, if you don't like that picture, you can always delete that. All right, and that's how we turn in work with Seesaw. Now, something that's really cool but also optional is Artsonia. And towards the very bottom of your activities, not only will there be classroom expectations, but directions of how to do Artsonia. Now, for Artsonia, on your iPad, It will actually be on your iPad and it will look like a little paint splatter. So once you click on it, click on the paint splatter, it's going to ask you for a code. The code is to provide it on your Seesaw. And the directions of how to upload the artwork will be on your Seesaw as well. But before I give you the directions, let's explore the actual Artsonia program. So Artsonia is a portfolio of student work. I actually have students starting from kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade doing this program. The middle school is also doing this, and the high school is doing this as well. So when you're a senior in high school, you can actually see your artwork from when you were in kindergarten. So that's something that's wonderful. What's nice about Artsonia too, there are different types of privacy settings where you could have everyone see your child's artwork, or just you, or just a couple family members. What's nice about this is that you can have family comment or friends comment of your artwork. Again, you're not going to be having random strangers commenting on your work. It's just who is ever on your privacy settings. And again, you can actually see artwork from the past. Another neat thing for Artsonia is they do Artist of the Week. Artist of the Week is the website will randomly choose artwork from different grade levels, and the community will vote for the best works. The winner will be receiving and what's cool about the voting is that maybe you could tell your school, your community that your child is in these Artists of the Week, and every day someone could vote for your work. Now, the winning school would win a $100 gift card to Blick, and the student will be winning a $50 gift card to Blick. Blick is like a gigantic Michael's. Very cool art supply store. Another really neat thing about Artsonia is that you could keep your treasures forever. So you can actually put your artwork onto books, sketchbooks, t-shirts, bags, face masks. So 20% of the proceeds will go to the art program. Now, for Artsonia to upload your work, let me go back and get my code. And something that's very important, because the code is getting shared, in order for your artwork to be posted, I have to approve of the artwork first. So again, that makes sure that nothing is getting posted that is not school appropriate. All right, so if you are doing Artsonia, you're going to click on the app. You will first get to a page like this. You're going to add the code, going to erase a hyphen, you're going to log in, then you're going to look for the grade. Now, since some of the classes keep on changing, it's easier just to click all students. I'm going to type in, oops, not YouTube, I'm going to type in my name. Then after that, there will be art projects. Now, if you're not sure what art project to submit it on, please check your Seesaw. Then after that, you are going to click on the artwork. You're going to add the artwork. Now, it's different with a Chromebook versus the iPad. The iPad will all automatically send you to the camera, where a Chromebook will just send you to this page. So again, the iPad will send you directly to your camera for the iPad, and for the Chromebook, it will send you through this section. So after that, you're going to take a picture of your work. Again, you want to make sure that none of your fingers are showing, and you want to make sure your face is not showing or your last name. You're going to click on the picture. You're going to upload it. All right, so you can see my face is still showing and my fingers. So this tool right here, this box, actually helps you edit. So you can rotate it. I want to get my fingers out, so I'm going to crop it. You're going to use these little knobbies to get rid of anything you don't want. Then you're going to click apply. Now you can auto fix it if you want your colors to look more smoothly. You could brighten it. We just want to make sure we stay away from this gray scale because it will change it to black and white. And of course, if you don't like that, you could click undo. Now, some of us might put our last names on there. You can use the blur tool to erase that. We want to make sure we don't have any of the last names showing. You're going to click accept. Now you're going to add a title. This is where you name your artwork. I usually add a title that pertains to the shapes or the colors that I use. So I'm going to put, actually, let's put the circle cat. Oops. And again, it spell checks for you. Circle cat. Then you're going to turn in the title. Then an artist statement. An artist statement describes your artwork. Now, with this, you do not have to answer all the questions. This is just for brainstorming ideas. So I'm just going to write my favorite part in my project are the colors. Again, make sure it is complete sentences. After that, you're going to turn it in. And it will show your artwork. And if you look at the status, it says turn in. It will not be considered completed unless the teacher checks it. After that, you are going to log out. All right, so again, make sure you always check your Seesaw. And Artsonia is a great way to share off each other's artwork. And again, this is optional. Now, for another backup, again, because just in case if Seesaw is not working or if Zoom's not working, is the Art e-learning page. The Art e-learning page will actually be on your Seesaw, and for my remote users, you should have received a packet that had the email address. If you still need that website address, it's mikl@d124.org, and I will send you the link. So the Art e-learning website is just another way to see what the art project is along with the demonstrations. So over here is your e-learning. It will have a list of the projects. And again, I keep on adding to them. If the teacher is not here, if I'm not here, there are my subplans. Another cool thing about this website is that it will show you the elements of art, any art movements, artists, how my art curriculum relates to state standards. There's also directions how to do Artsonia, some art tutorials. There's also some really cool field trips. There is a interactive visual field trip to an art museum. There's also some really cool libraries dealing with art, color, and shape that has really cool books on those subjects. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, again, please make sure that you focus on your Seesaw because there will be examples of the artwork and we will be turning in our artwork through Seesaw. Please take a gander on Artsonia and the Art e-learning page. All right, so again, if you have any questions, email me at lmikl@d124.org. Have a wonderful day, and again, I can't wait to see your artwork. Thank you.